Yo, yo, good evening, y'all. Phil back here with another update on our paper trading account. Wanted to go ahead and give you guys a quick update on what went on this Monday. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. As you can see over here in the top left, we took a loss today, $111. I'm gonna just walk you through what happened, which is just bad practices, basically. I'm just being transparent, and just so you could be aware and you could avoid these mistakes as well. So let's get started. Um, Looking at the QQQ chart. Let's go 5 day, 15 minute. All right, so the futures start to move. The indexes start to move around 6, 7 p.m. on Sunday, leading up to the next trading day on Monday. So as you can see, we had this sell-off that continued on Friday after hours. When the futures hit on, if you can see up here, this is true the time. This is February 1st. On February 1st, you can see we had a sharp decline in the futures. Things were dropping. Dropped all the way into about 130 or so. Then it started to turn around, boom, 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 and that's what we have at market open. Now, what I was anticipating or looking at was something I shouldn't have been. You don't want to try to guess and anticipate where the market going. You want to go in the direction of the market. So if the market is giving you an uptrend, follow that. If it's giving you a downtrend, follow that. Don't try to be a psychic and try to guess the next move of the market because 9 times out of 10, the house always gonna win, and the house is the market. If you're not sticking to proper risk management, best practices, again, things of that nature. I was looking at a put at this time. Still have the chart up from it so you can see my entries and my exit, which was basically worthless at that time. But I got in around one. What time is this? 9:49. That's early. Typically, on a good day when I'm doing my best practices, I like to wait until I see direction, which is sometimes around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock lunchtime, whatever the case may be. This trade was a little bit early. I thought I seen something. The stock market starting to retrace a little bit more, but it didn't. It kept pumping. So I got in one contract at $1.13. Again, this is you multiply that by 100, $113 that I got in for. Um, Again around 9:49. We're gonna go back to the QQQ, the actual chart, and we're gonna try to find that. Let's go to the 1 minute chart to make it easier now that the pre-market is over. Okay, so we got in somewhere around here, right? Um, Thinking that hey, we got a slight pullback again. It wasn't enough to really go into this trade, but I don't know. Happy fingers. I went ahead, pulled the trigger, got in, and as you can see, the market took off after that. Now it didn't go any much higher, didn't go any much lower, but again, when you're doing zero DTEs or contracts that expire the same day that you purchase them, that theta intensifies is going to eat up all of your value of your options contract. So that's basically what happened here. I got in 113. We got a little pop, right? And I should have in the perfect trade. Again, most trades aren't gonna be perfect. In the perfect trade, I would have sold out at 116, made $3, live to trade another day or look for another one. But I didn't. You wanna know what happened right here? Hope started to kick in. Um, Wishing, emotion kicked in again. Not supposed to have it. It's a paper trading account, and this is why we doing it on the paper trading account, just so we could understand and learn from our mistakes. Went up to 116, should have sold. I didn't sell, and they just started to decline. Again, as we're over here, we're looking at the QQQs ETF. Um, it just kind of flattened out for the day, right? It had his great push up, and then it just flattened out. Ended the day green. A lot of tech stocks ended green. I think even Bitcoin rebounded just a little bit. But yeah, but that's basically what happened today. Let the contract go, let it fizzle out. End up selling it for 2 cents. So I mean $2. I'm sorry. So we did receive that $2 back plus commission, but that's 90+% of the options contract. You want to practice risk management, cut your losses. It would have been way better to cut it at $67. $20 at least, even 10. So the things that I want you all to take away from this one is one, go in the direction of the market. If the market is showing you that it's on the uptrend, it's everything that's given from your plan, step back, reevaluate, create a new plan with the new information that you get. And also, when you're trading and it's not going in your favor, just don't sit there looking, because the market won't come to save you. Nobody will come to save you. It's up to you to practice that risk management and get it out the way. But ultimately, $111 loss on the day. We still positive overall within our account, sitting at 1173. But um, tomorrow we'll be looking at another QQQ option to get in. Again, the time right now is 9:17. Let's take a quick look at some of the futures, just at a glance. Okay, so Nasdaq Index future. As you can see, again, it follows QQQ. They're the same person basically. Um, Bounced off of that low during the pre-market on 1:30 a.m. Now it's coming up here, and is right now it's still green. Showing the little red signs. We'll keep an eye on that. That's the Nasdaq. Okay. Um, forward slash ES, which is the S&P index, S&P 500. Again, that's green as well, up slightly, and also the Dow Jones. Again, everything was green today. So nothing today told me to go and take a put. Um, I wish I was recording this in real time just so I could let you know what my thought process was. Because even going back and looking at QQQ, when I seen this and I seen this little fizzle out, that's about what? Probably what's that? 9:38. Yeah, about 10 minutes on the 1 minute chart. I seen this slight pattern that I thought I recognized a bull flag. So it told me that hey, continuation was coming, and sure enough it did, and went on to continue the run. So again, we ended in today down $111. Accounts currently at 1173. And yeah, we'll be looking to get into another play tomorrow. So that's the only update I wanted. Let me know if y'all like these videos. Let me know if y'all would like to see any other content, whether it be a little bit more education based, if you would like to see something with charting, pre-market, after hours. I don't know. I don't know what my audience is right now. So y'all let me know what's going on, and I'm gonna holler at y'all in a few.